trying to record a 3 a.m. video. I'll see you later. Okay, so nothing much has happened. I'm drawing. That's about it. I'll show you later. Yeah, I'm not done.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's a tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's a tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's a tear in my heart.
So, I really haven't gotten anything much done. Oh yeah, I got the drawing finished. Yeah, it's about 104, 105, I like to guess. But I don't really know. But nothing really much has happened. I drew a little bit more, make some Tic Tacs. Just been dancing, listening to some music. So yeah, see you later. Hello. It is about 2 o'clock. So I've got an hour till 3. Been doing a little this, been doing a little that. I don't really know. And yes, I am recycling this cup. It's a Burger King cup with Diet Coke in it. Don't judge me. So, nothing really to do. Practicing my shove-its on my skateboard on the carpet. Gator trainers, please sponsor me. Yeah. So that's about all that's been happening. See you later. So it's about 5 minutes from 3 a.m. So I hope nothing weird happens. That probably won't happen because it's 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is just another time. Time is just time. I like time because time can be saved and time. Okay. Okay. I like 3 a.m. because I know it's fake because I've stayed up at 3 a.m. 10 billion times. So, see you later. What the heck? I'm not doing anything. I'm totally nothing. I mean, it's so scary. Whoa. Okay, so we all know that stuff is fake. Everybody should know this. Because, yeah. 3 a.m. videos are fake. They will always be fake because 3 a.m. is just another time during the day, and people have probably already stayed up till 3 a.m. in the morning. Well, wait, what does AM stand for? At morning? Wait, then wouldn't PM stand for past morning? I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn off the little turn on the little dingy that bell has to have the symbols. So, I'll see ya later.